Gotta keep these diners in the black. The coffee's brewing, the customers are chewing. Whole life feels like an interview when you're serving up cartoon food. So I just don't have the time to sit down, time to sit. This is street of old Chinatown. Some call it Florida Street, but they're not in the know. We call it Avenue Flaw. Oh my god. No time for you, Flo. Busiest street of all Chinatown. Some call it 4th Street, but they are not in the know. Ignore your lag. We call it Avenue. Yuck! Stop with the fart sounds already. I'm so tired of it. Please. I'm gonna go lowbrow something. Avenue Flow. A little bass in the theme song. I'm gonna sing it. I'm gonna go sing along. Gotta keep these diners. So, the coffee's brewing, customers chewing. Whole life feels like an interview where they're serving up cartoon food. So, I just don't have the time to sit down. This is straight up my diner. Oh my gosh, Dr. Mario. Jeez. How do I fix Dr. Mario? You need to fix Dr. Mario because you corrupted him so badly. At the time I feel bad. Already, stop.
Ready, go.
Florida Street. Why'd you name it after the state of Florida? It's from the southeastern. Oh my god. Oh my god. Well, 14. Not bad. It's a me. Oh yes, Dr. Mario. Of course. Oh my god. What? Cicada? It's so loud. I heard that guy before. Yeah, Cicada, I heard this guy before. He's super loud. Insect. Why would you make so much of a noise? A buzz. A butterfly's my favorite. A butterfly's my favorite. If it were to be ladybugs, then I like them as well. Oh no. Yeah. Dance with me and me. Chicken. Oh, look at this. Chicken. It's running away. And wait, Flo's mom is named Fairy. You know what? Don't say the fairy our parents. Not now. I thought it just looped again. Okay. Don't be out of breath singing that, okay? And wait. Oh my god. Some call it Florida Street, but they're not in the know. Well, whatever. Oh my god. Of course. I'm going back to it again. Oh my god. Gotcha. Relax. Just go relax. Wow. Do 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 do. Here you go. Yeah. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Gotta keep these diners in the black. The coffee's brewing, the customers are chewing. The whole life feels like an interview when you're serving out cartoon food. So I just don't have the time to sit down. Time to sit. Oh, I just don't have to. But it's gonna be a big day. Everything ready to go. Nice going. Stretch your arms next time. Yeah, you are gonna do it. Of course. I'm looping that music again. It doesn't matter. Boo doo 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 doo. Bom bom bom. Doo 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 doo. I just don't have. Okay, that's weird. Oh my god. I just don't have time to relax. Gotta keep these diners in the black. I just have time to sit and look down. Yeah. Boo 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 doo doo doo. Do 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 do. No, no, no. Oh, fudge nuggets. I just don't. What? No more Dino Dash. You got me. How about this? Bike bear. Why is a kid be making this? And sometimes, yeah, but some of them doesn't look like, some of their designs of Dash didn't look like even one, especially if it's a stick figure. Too bad. Still not Dash or Dot. If they make it to something else, even though it's green. Oh my god. And for Dora and as People's Kids Dot running in the 1999. And what? This is not. Dora doesn't even do kind of crud like that, but okay. She would teach kids Spanish. But okay, nice putting Dora the Explorer on that one too. I mean, nice putting her in. Like it would didn't really make sense at all. And ends up with just Nickelodeon style, Nick Jr. style of that with PBS. Like, come on. Yeah, they did the festival too. Why? Why would these kids do it? I know. This is just too much. But that was so good. Oh my god. Go wash. What's up with your no fish? Oh crud. Ooh, I gotta stay away. He has an arrow right pointing him away. Man, Fairly Odd Parents. Well, guess we'll go watch it. Oh my god. Oh my. Go Ash. Really? Fly away now. Fly away now. Oh my god. Oh no. Seriously? What the heck? What's up with the Go Ash? Oh my god. Oh, cried. Yes, play. That was so good. Oh my god. Go wash. Your ground says fly away now. Why did you have to say so many owls? No more ow in one. Digs first, because why not? Give me a break with this. There's no beehive in the game, because my goodness. It's just Rocket Blast. In the Sun Scout Edition, they replaced the Rocket Blast with the bees. Which is the bees instead coming out of the hive. Okay. You got enough of the gum already. Thank you so much. Alright, now she changed like that. Just a few minutes already. The next step of the way. Here you go. World. Meow. You. Miss Furball, what are you doing? Oh my god. Lucky her. You're the first one to have it. Oh no, fly away now? What do you mean? Oh no. Okay. How's he feeling? He didn't change yet. Oh crud. That's at the start of yours. But please, don't do this in the entire level. I wouldn't do such a thing like that. Oh my god. Oh really? Huh. Oh, finally it changed. Here we go. Oh, crud. Up with you, buddy. There you go. Oh. No. Doggy dive. This is the best. Ah, he's delicious. Oh my god. Oh, crud. Oh my gosh. Ooh, Ziggy, buddy. Okay. Oh, Ziggy. Oh my god. What the heck? Bella, again? You're acting like this rest of those cats. Oh, that's it. No one else gets it, but already got it before. Well, I would like to watch here with him with this funny face.